today I'm gonna make very delicious dinner. Chicken hands of tobacco. I'm not sure if I pronounce this right, but it's actual tobacco, like a smoking, chewing tobacco. Chicken hands of tobacco and grilled sliced potato. And today I will do it not on a grill. Today I will do it on a fire, on my fire pit, which is getting ready. So here are the chicken hands, and I will marinate it for 30 minutes before I put in the fire. Marinade consists of sunflower oil, salt and pepper, and very unusual ingredient, chmieli suneli. It's a Georgian pronunciation. It's a Georgian spices. Mix it all together. Okay. Now I'm gonna give my chicken last massage. Ah, yeah. And same number I will going to do with another chicken hands. Okay, going back to refrigerator for 30 minutes. Almost forgot. Garlic powder. Next step is you're going to slice potato with my K-bar knife. My son gave it to me.
What?
Approximately like this. Okay, and I'm gonna use a bacon. I'm gonna grill it with my potatoes. Potatoes I'm gonna put on skewers, but I forgot my real skewers at home, so I'm gonna use a wooden one, but I hope it's gonna work. As you can see, I sliced on my skewers bacon, then potatoes, sliced potatoes, again bacon, potatoes, Okay, that's what it's gonna looks like. Let's do another one. So gonna put some salt, pepper, flip over this side now. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put on the foil. In the foil, in the foil, in the foil. Another one. Thirty minutes on a fire. Chicken still in the refrigerator. It's probably 10-15 more minutes. My sliced potato goes in the fire and it's gonna be here in the foil for probably 20 more minutes. Now it's time for our chicken to go in the fire. So temperature should be Mississippi 1, Mississippi 2, Mississippi 3. Oh, hot, right temperature. Now I'm supposed to put some weight on it. So I got my iron skillet. So chicken not supposed to fly far. Alright. It's time to turn over our chicken. Oh yeah. I'm gonna unwrap potato. How I gonna do it? Don't know. It's too hard. Ho ho ho! Oops. Why it's supposed to be so difficult? Good job. Okay, when this hard part done, let's do some, well, if you remember from my previous videos, it's a rule number 1. Cheers! Cold wine in 88 degrees, hot, plus fire going on. Oh, I feel good. It is done. Look at the color. Oh man. Another yummy camping dinner. This is dill, garlic sauce, salt, pepper, nothing special here. Cucumbers, some tomatoes, and wine. Cheers! Good. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, perfect. Oh. Yummy.